When it comes to large enterprises, choosing the right e-commerce platform is crucial for scaling your business. But with so many options out there, like BigCommerce and Shopify, how do you know which one will work best for your business? Stick with me till the end, because in this video, we'll break down each platform's strengths and weaknesses so you can make an informed decision on the best choice for your needs, and you might be surprised at the recommendation I'll make by the end. First up, let's talk about BigCommerce. BigCommerce is well known for its scalability, offering enterprise-grade features right out of the box. It's designed for businesses that are ready to grow fast, with a solid infrastructure to support large product catalogs and high-volume sales. One thing that stands out is its building features, especially around SEO, which gives you a better chance of being found online. But BigCommerce can feel a little rigid compared to other platforms, with limited design flexibility and a steep learning curve. This can be a challenge for larger enterprises who want a more personalized look or a quicker setup. Next thing to consider, Shopify. Shopify is often the go-to e-commerce platform for businesses of all sizes, and it's no surprise why. The user-friendly interface and vast ecosystem of apps make it incredibly flexible. Shopify also has enterprise-level features, but it's often viewed as more accessible than BigCommerce, particularly for businesses with less technical expertise. However, Shopify's enterprise solution, Shopify Plus, can get expensive fast. It's a great platform for scaling, but once you hit the upper tiers of sales volume, the pricing can become a significant burden. Also, while the app marketplace is massive, relying on third-party apps for key functions can sometimes result in additional costs or integrations that aren't as seamless. Now, let's talk about integration capabilities. BigCommerce and Shopify both excel in integrating with major third-party apps, CRMs, and ERPs. But BigCommerce has a slight edge here for enterprise-level integrations. It offers more native integrations, meaning you're less likely to hit snags with external applications, which can be a huge time saver. Shopify, on the other hand, has a larger app marketplace, but you'll often need to rely on third-party developers to customize and integrate these apps, especially when it comes to complex features. The fourth thing to keep in mind is support. Both platforms offer 24/7 support, but Shopify's reputation for responsive customer service and robust online resources gives it an edge here, especially when dealing with high traffic or complex issues. BigCommerce, while offering quality support, sometimes doesn't have the same speed or depth of answers you may need during high-stress situations. Pricing is always a big factor when choosing an e-commerce platform, especially for large enterprises. BigCommerce offers a more transparent pricing structure where you can anticipate monthly costs based on your sales volume. Shopify's pricing model, particularly with Shopify Plus, can be a bit more variable and difficult to predict. For large businesses, this might become a burden if sales fluctuate seasonally. And while both platforms are solid, let's talk about the biggest downside of each. BigCommerce can be more expensive upfront, with its lower-tier plans not offering the full range of features needed to truly scale. Shopify's reliance on third-party apps and transaction fees can add up fast, especially as you expand. So if you're looking for a more streamlined, affordable alternative that has robust features for scaling without all the hidden costs, stick around for my final recommendation. Now, after testing both of these platforms for large enterprise needs, I have to say that while they're both great, they're not perfect. In fact, if you want a better alternative tailored to large enterprises, take advantage of the free trial linked in the description. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available to the general public. The platforms mentioned today, BigCommerce and Shopify, are good, but if you're looking for something that truly meets the needs of large enterprises without the constant surprise costs and limitations, you owe it to yourself to try out the better solution. Click the first link in the description for the best free trial and the unique benefits only available to our viewers.